Okay, now at the moment it's really important to get your makeup done really quickly. That's because we've all got really busy places to go: kitchen, bathroom, living room, and you've got to look your best each time. So I know it's possible to do a flawless, really good makeup look in 90 seconds or less. I'm talking blusher, I'm talking highlight, I'm talking lips, I'm talking eyeshadows. You can do that in 90 seconds or less. Don't believe me? Watch this. 90 seconds makeup, full face. Ready? Foundation. I'm gonna look pretty. Blusher. It's just making that go funny. Eyebrows. Eyeshadow. Lips. And not forgetting highlight. Beautiful. So if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay creative.